I got a package. It's my next edition for the Vanquish H10 Optic. I got Vanquish 1.9 impact wheels in pink. These are gonna look awesome. I was so happy when I found these for sale on eBay. Just the last few screws to go. And then we can put them on the Optic and see how they look. These were worth it. They look so good. All right, here's the before with real wheels. And here's the after. These are gorgeous, and they're a great addition to Throttle Therapy livery. Vanquish released these wheels in 2023. They were special edition for breast cancer awareness. And now there's another unicorn for me to find. The special edition breast cancer awareness pink F10 axles. If you know where I can find a set of these, please let me know in the comments. And for my next upgrade, I'll be installing lights.